Today, we'll be using Affinity to create a poster like this, quickly and professionally. So let's start. First of all, let's create a new document with the size of 1080 by 1080 pixels. Now, I'm importing the shoe image into the workspace. Right-click, go to Transform, flip horizontal, and then center it properly. Right-click on the toolbar and drag and drop the alignment and distribution panels, since we'll be using them later. After that, I've selected the rectangle tool and drawn the shape, then filled it with blue color. Now I'll create a new layer, pick the brush tool, and start adjusting the settings: flow, shadow, size, and hardness. Using Ctrl and Alt and dragging right or left, we can increase or decrease the brush size easily. I've added a soft brush stroke and adjusted its size to create the shadow. Next, I'm clicking on the brushstroke layer, applying a mask, and with the brush tool, set to white, I'm gently erasing the extra parts to refine the shadow. Now, let's draw another shape. This time, I'm creating a circle, keeping its color light blue, since we'll be converting it into 3D. Go to the Layer Effects, click on 3D, and adjust the settings as per your liking. I've fine-tuned its size and shade to make it look smooth and realistic. Next, I'm creating a new layer, adding a white stroke and increasing the size. Then, I'll select both layers, group them, and while holding Alt, drag to duplicate them on the other side. I'm placing the copies in different positions to create variation. After that, I'm selecting all layers and grouping them together using Ctrl+G. Now go to Filter and add lighting, which gives a fresh, professional look to the overall design. You can experiment with the lighting settings to match your style. I've also right-clicked on the workspace and changed its color to white. Next, I'm applying curves to balance the overall tone. Now it's time to add the text. Select the text tool and type "Design to move with you." The font is Inter. I've set the font to italic bold, slightly increased its size, and enabled uppercase. Then I changed the color from black to white. By holding Alt and dragging, I've duplicated the text and placed it on the other side. For this one, I've kept the style bold italic as well and adjusted the spacing to make it visually balanced. Finally, I've changed the color from black to white. And once again, using Alt plus drag, I've copied it to the other side. Here, I've written New Arrival. Rotated it by 90 degrees, increased its size, and added spacing for a modern look. And that's it! Our poster design is ready.